Hello everyone, today we're diving into the impressive Bosch Professional 18V System GSR 18V-55 Cordless Drill Driver, a tool that combines power and durability for all your woodworking and metalworking needs. This drill driver boasts a high performance potential with a maximum torque of 55 Nm and speeds up to 1,750 revolutions per minute, ensuring maximum efficiency on the job. Its robust 13mm Roehm metal drill chuck guarantees ideal power transfer, making both drilling and screwdriving tasks a breeze. Thanks to its brushless motor, you can expect an extended tool lifetime and longer battery runtimes, allowing you to tackle more projects without interruptions. The Professional 18V system offers ultimate performance and maximum freedom, as all rechargeable batteries are compatible with both new and existing Bosch Professional tools in the same voltage class. Packaged in the convenient L-Box 136, this tool is ready to be your reliable partner on any project. So, whether you're a professional or a DIY enthusiast, the Bosch GSR 18V-55 is engineered to deliver exceptional results every time. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.